Today I'm taking a look at these SoundPEATS C30 earbuds. Now while these were sent over to me, as always, this is my unbiased opinion of these earbuds, so let's get right into it. Before I get too far into this video, you could be the winner of this Gamma K TK75 V2. All you have to do to get entered is follow the link down in the description below, follow the rules on the official Instagram post, and you are entered to win this Gamma K TK75 V2. The giveaway officially ends when Tech Lab hits 1,000 subscribers. So go get entered, good luck, and let's get on with the video. I've got some nice packaging going on here. As you can see on the back of the box, these come in both a black and white version. I'm not actually sure what color they sent here, we'll see in a second. But we can see they have 12mm dynamic drivers, 52 hours of runtime, and a active noise canceling as well. In the lid, we get our normal documentation, instruction manual, warranty information. Looks like we've got the black version here. There are the earbuds themselves. This case is really interesting. Looks like we have a little battery indicator on the front there. Also USB Type-C on the side. Love to see it. Also in the packaging, you'll get some other size ear cups and a USB Type-A to USB Type-C charging cable as well. The case is really interesting. It's got like this super weird rough texture to it. Kind of interesting. But yeah, let's get into the earbuds here themselves. Now, one thing I will say, the case here kind of feels a little bit cheap. It just kind of feels like cheap plastic. The hinge isn't maybe the most durable, but it does have a nice solid click to it when you close it. That being said, the earbuds, on the other hand, do feel much more premium than the case. So I'm going to put these in here. It's actually a surprisingly comfortable fit. I wasn't sure about this whole shape going on here. It's kind of interesting, but it actually fits my ears quite well. So yeah, taking a look at the earbuds, they're kind of AirPod shaped, I guess you could say. That's kind of just what this design has been called now. We got two little charging pins there. It does have a little indicator inside the case for left and right, but it's also on the earbuds themselves. Overall, nice build quality. They're entirely made out of plastic, obviously, as most earbuds are. They have a nice weight to them. Now, these claim to have 10 hours of playtime on the earbuds themselves. Obviously, that might depend on the type of mode you're in, whether you're in transparency or noise canceling mode, and a total of 52 hours with the case as well. So it's fully charged. You can get 52 hours with the case. Really solid battery life out of these. And like I said, they're super comfortable. For charging, you do get fast charging. About 10 minutes of charge should give you roughly 3 hours of playback, which is super solid. These things are also IP54 rated, and there's actually a water removal mode inside the app, which is kind of interesting. I'm super intrigued about that. But yeah, these are IP54 rated, so you shouldn't have problems with sweat if you're going to use them for working out or anything like that. Now, these have a 12mm dynamic driver, and they also claim to have LDAC, which you can turn on in the app, and they sound actually really good. I listen to a little bit of music with these now, and they're pretty crystal clear audio. Obviously not going to be they're not the bassiest earbuds around, but they have enough punch that you can enjoy your music. But if you're like a real bass head, these probably aren't going to be for you. That being said, the audio out of these mids and the highs are super crystal clear. I'm very impressed with them. Now, these are rated up to 52 decibels for the active noise canceling, and I can say that the active noise canceling sounds quite good. It's really muffling my voice right now, and I think you should have no problem with these in like a loud environment, or if you're on an airplane or anything like that. I don't think you'll have any problems with too much noise getting in. Obviously, earbuds are going to bleed a little bit of noise through the ear cup tip, but these are really solid. Also, as far as the transparency mode goes, you can very clearly hear my voice. You could easily have a conversation with something. So these have really solid transparency mode and noise canceling, and they give you the option to turn it off in the app as well completely, which is a feature I always love to see. Now, for the price, these come in at $40 on Amazon, which I think is personally reasonable for the sound quality that you're getting here. Obviously, they're not a perfect pair of earbuds. Like I said, the things like the case is a little bit cheap, but as far as the earbuds themselves, I think $40 is a totally reasonable price, and you're getting good battery life and things like that out of these as well. Now, right now you can get these actually for 20% off, so you can get them for $32. And if you guys are really interested in these earbuds, you can go check them out at the link down in the description below, and you can use code SPC30 all 12 to get an extra 10% off of these earbuds as well. This code is only available through January 31st, so make sure to hurry up and get it while it still lasts if you guys want to get yourself a pair of these SoundPEATS C30 earbuds. So those are the SoundPEATS C30 earbuds. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Like I said, if you guys want to go check them out for yourself, you can check them out through the link in my description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.